What's up, YouTube? It's Ambition Oliver coming at you with another video. In this video, we're going an Audi oil change. All right, it's a little different than it typically is. Two reasons different: because you're using the 030, especially if it says on the cap. Make sure you can follow that Castrol Edge European, baby. All right, so make sure you follow that, and you also have to have a drain plug. All right. I had the part number, I lost the part number, but a drain plug is what you need, or whatever you need a new one, because you have to throw it away. This is the reason why. So on the new one, when you're looking at, you see like the actual T25 area where you actually torque it, and then it'll pretty much self-stick. And the old one, after it torques, it breaks off, right? So that's why you always need a new one of these, all right? And then you will also need a 13 millimeter, right? Also a 13 millimeter and a 32 millimeter to take off the oil cap, all right? So make sure you follow this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and Ambition out.
Crazy.
All right, so very first step, all right, you're gonna take out the skirt. The skirt has multiple screws. All of them are T25, and then the two on the edge are gonna be 13 millimeter, okay? All right, we'll focus on this cap right here. What you're gonna need is a 32. So boom, 32. And that'll be able how you take out the oil filter. All right, so if you get this mess right here, it wants you to drive for a little bit and then turn your car off. After you turn your car off, make sure that your car is actually on a level surface. After it's on a level surface, what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in and you're gonna use you're gonna use this little menu button right here. And then you're gonna use your bar, which I'm pretty sure you know how to do, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go all the way up to vehicles. After you go to vehicles, then what you're gonna do is gonna give you that drive select. You're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom to checks, service and checks. From there, you're gonna go to oil level, and then you will click oil level. It will actually tell you if your oil is too much or if it's too less. All right. So from there, make sure your car is warm. If it's warm, it'll tell you everything you need to know. Also, after you're done with everything, to go ahead and put the skirt back on, and you'll be good to go. All right, really quick, to reset your oil change we just did, hit vehicle. After you hit vehicle, it'll give you these options. You can go to service and checks. You can go over to service intervals. And then right there, it says reset oil interval. Click it. Do you want to reset oil change interval? Yes, oil change has been reset.